everyone. In this video we are going to solve a problem which is based on the concept of commercial unit of energy. So here is the problem, which is an electric heater is rated 1500 watts. Calculate the amount of energy it consumes in kilowatt hours in 10 hours. So first of all, let us list out whatever is given in the question. The power of the electric heater is given to be 1500 watts and the time it was used for is given to be 10 hours. Now we know the formula for the energy consumed by this electric heater, and that is power multiplied by time taken. So sounds easy. We need to substitute these two values in the expression to arrive at the total energy consumed by the electric heater. So let us do that. This equals 1500 multiplied by 10. That is 1500 watts is the power of the electric heater, and 10 hours, it was used for 10 hours. So we have power multiplied by 10. So this turns out to be 15,000 watt hour. But we need to find the amount of energy consumed by this electric heater in terms of the commercial unit of energy, which is kilowatt hour. So we need to convert this 15,000 watt hour into kilowatt hour, and for that we will be using the relationship between watt and kilowatt, and that is 1 watt equals 1 by 1000 kilowatts. Now we know that 1 kilowatt equals 1000 watts, so 1 watt will be equal to 1 by 1000 kilowatts. So on using this relation, we have the energy consumed to be 15,000 divided by 1000 kilowatt hour, and this turns out to be 15 kilowatt hours. So the energy consumed by the electric heater when it is used for 10 hours is found to be 15 kilowatt hour, or in other words we can say the 15 units of energy was consumed by this electric heater when it was used for 10 hours. So this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope this solution was understandable to you. Thanks for watching.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.